Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Crayola light brush painting set is probably one of the most innovative and engaging art tools for kids, offering a unique way to create vibrant, glowing masterpieces without the mess of traditional paints. This set transforms simple drawing into a magical experience, where light itself becomes the medium, allowing children to explore their creativity in a dimly lit environment and watch their artwork come alive with luminous color. It's a fantastic way to spark imagination and provide hours of artistic fun, making it a standout choice for budding young artists looking for a new and exciting way to express themselves. Number 5. Crayola Inspiration Art Case Coloring Set, Tie-Dye. Introducing the Crayola Inspiration Art Case, a vibrant 140-piece art set designed for young creators. It's packed with everything they need to bring their imagination to life. This colorful tie-dye case is built for adventure. Its durable design makes it easy to take their artistic endeavors anywhere, from the classroom to a weekend getaway. Inside, they'll discover 40 washable markers, 20 colored pencils, 64 crayons, and large drawing paper. All the essential tools for endless creative projects are right here. With a stunning array of colors, from bold primaries to gentle pastels, their artwork will truly stand out. Let their creativity shine with every stroke. Everything stays neatly organized in its dedicated compartments. This makes finding the right tools simple and keeps the creative process flowing smoothly. Looking for a gift that sparks joy and creativity? This art case is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a fantastic way to encourage artistic exploration. What we like? This comprehensive art set offers a vast array of supplies for endless creative possibilities. If you're looking for a complete art kit that keeps everything organized and is easy to transport, this is a fantastic choice for young artists on the go. What people say. The light brush painting set is a fun and engaging way for kids to create art. The set includes a variety of colors and a brush that lights up, making the painting experience more exciting. It's a great gift for children who enjoy art and creativity. Number 4. Crayola Color Wonder Magic Light Brush. Introducing the Crayola Color Wonder Magic Light Brush, a mess-free painting station designed for endless artistic fun. It's the perfect gift for young creators. Dive into a world of color with this set, featuring a magic light brush, vibrant paints, and special paper. Get ready for a truly magical painting experience. Celebrate any holiday with this colorful art set. It makes a fantastic gift for boys and girls, bringing festive fun to playtime. Experience the surprise as the paintbrush lights up, revealing the paint color with every stroke. It adds an exciting element to their artwork. Our special paints only appear on the provided paper, ensuring no stains on skin, clothes, or walls. Enjoy worry-free painting sessions. Keep the art station organized with handy brush clips for easy storage. Everything is ready for their next masterpiece whenever inspiration strikes. What we like? Experience worry-free painting with a magical light-up brush that reveals colors only on special paper. If you want to avoid messes on clothes, skin, or walls, this is the perfect solution for toddlers and young children. What people say. The light brush is easy to use and creates beautiful light paintings. The set comes with various colors and brushes, allowing for creative expression. The light paintings are vibrant and long-lasting, making them a great addition to any room. Number 3. BAODLON Dinosaur Painting Kit for Kids. Discover the BAODLON Dinosaur Painting Kit, a fun and engaging way for kids to explore their creativity. It's perfect for sparking imagination and artistic expression. This kit includes 10 unique dinosaur figures and a vibrant palette of paints. Your child can bring these prehistoric creatures to life with their own unique designs. With enough accessories for multiple children, it's an ideal activity for siblings or friends to enjoy together. You can also join in for extra bonding and fun. Crafted from high-quality, safe PVC, these dinosaur toys are built to last. The non-toxic, water-based paints ensure a safe and enjoyable painting experience for little hands. Beyond the fun, this kit aids in color recognition and mixing. It also helps develop fine motor skills, concentration, and hand-eye coordination. Looking for a unique gift? This dinosaur painting set comes in attractive packaging, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion for kids aged 4 to 10. What we like? Unleash prehistoric fun by painting and decorating 10 unique dinosaur figures. If you're searching for an engaging activity that combines creativity, learning about colors, and imaginative play with dinosaurs, this kit is ideal for young dinosaur enthusiasts. What people say. The light brush works great and is easy to use. The colors are vibrant and the brush is very responsive. It's a fun and engaging way to create art. Number 2. Primrosia 24 Pastel Dual Tip Markers. Introducing the Primrosia 24 Pastel Dual Tip Markers. These markers are perfect for all your artistic needs, from illustration to journaling. Create stunning artwork with our beautiful pastel shades. They come in a charming greenhouse tube, ready for your next creative moment. Enjoy the best of both worlds with our dual-tipped pens. Use the brush end for shading and coloring, and the fine tip for detailed work. Explore a palette of 24 water-based colors, featuring pale, neutral, and darker tones perfect for floral sketches. You can even achieve a watercolor effect by adding water. These pastel pens are a must-have for your planners, notes, calligraphy, and drawings. They are also great for coloring and highlighting. Our highly pigmented inks are non-toxic, quick-drying, and won't bleed through. Layer, mix, and blend colors for unique effects, suitable for all ages. What we like. Achieve stunning artwork with a beautiful pastel color palette and the versatility of dual-tip brush and fine liners. If you enjoy journaling, illustration, or calligraphy and desire a sophisticated, subtle color range, these pens are a perfect fit. What people say. The light brush is easy to hold and control, making it perfect for little hands. The set includes a variety of vibrant colors that are bright and opaque. The painting process is mess-free and the colors are washable from surfaces. Number 1. U.S. Art Supply 10-piece no-spill paint cups and brush set. Introducing a revolutionary way to paint without the mess. These innovative cups are designed to prevent spills, keeping your art sessions clean and enjoyable. Simply pour your paint and secure the airtight outer lid. This feature ensures your paint stays fresh for your next creative endeavor, saving you time and resources. Never guess the paint color again. Each cup features a brightly colored lid that perfectly matches the paint inside, making selection quick and effortless. This set includes 10 cups in a variety of vibrant colors: brown, yellow, red, orange, dark blue, light blue, purple, white, black, and green. As a special bonus, this set also comes with 10 large round paintbrushes. Their color-coordinated handles complement the paint cups, adding a touch of style to your art supplies. Designed with children in mind, these tools make painting fun and frustration-free. Encourage creativity without worrying about spills or color confusion. What we like. Prevent spills and keep paints fresh with innovative no-spill paint cups featuring airtight lids. If you're a parent or educator looking for a mess-free and convenient way for children to paint, these cups and the included brush set are an excellent choice. What people say. The light brush painting set is a great way to introduce kids to painting. The set comes with everything you need to get started, including paints, brushes, and paper. The lights in the brush make it easy for kids to see what they are doing, even in low light conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.